Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Share Locker app to create viral loads of traffic to your website. So first off, let me show you a graphical representation of this whole flow, how it works. It's very simple and you can see how you can implement that in your business. So it starts out with a Facebook post. Let's say you share this on Facebook, so people click on the post and they go to the page that you have the value that you want to deliver to them. It can be just about any page and anything that you want to connect. So it's going to be connected. It's going to have the Share Locker on this page. So before they access the page, it's going to pop up the Share Locker and it's going to say either like or share to free up or for you to get access to the page. Now you can disable the like and just say share. So this is actually a graphical representation of a share strategy. So let's say you say share and then you can have access to the page, then people click share and it's going to share on the Facebook, on their Facebook account, and they also are going to be able to have access to the page that you're protecting it with the Share Locker. And then it starts the viral loop again. So basically, because they shared, their friends are going to see the post, so they click the post and it's going to go to the page, but it's protected by the Share Locker, so either they're going to have to like or share. Actually, this one is for share. They click share, it's going to start the loop and it's going around like this. So let's go ahead and see how you can implement that. So here we are on the dashboard of the BuilderAll platform, and the app is this right here. You can access the app by going to apps and then go to Share Locker, and it's going to pull up this screen. So this is the software. There's three different ways for you to set things up. One is the very simple pop-up basic, and basically what this does is just have the pop-up and then a black or white screen on the background just protecting your content. Now this is fairly simple to implement. All you have to do is just put a title, which is going to show here at the top, the page that you want people to like and or share, the page that you want people to share, and here you upload the images. But for this video I'm going to just use the pop-up with app ID because it's a little bit more there are a couple of other steps that you need to implement, but the difference here is that people can see the background. As you can see, there's a couple of options right here. One is to blur the background screen. So as you can see, I blurred right there, and then opacity 2, so you can just let people see what's behind, or completely blur so they won't be able to see what's underneath, and then basically you just set things up here. So we're gonna set up a site with the BuilderAll platform. Let's go to my sites, and I have one already that I had initially started, which is the sports test. I'm going to publish this site so we can start using it, and while it saves, I'm going to the pop-up screen, and here is where you would insert the app ID. So in order to do that, you just got to go to developers.facebook.com, and then here you go to where it says my apps, and you're going to create a new app. So let's click that, and then you're just going to give it a name. Let's say sports. Okay, and then this is your email or any email that you want to receive notifications, and let's go ahead and create the app. It's going to ask for a code. Let's go ahead and type in this code right quick, and let's hit submit. Oh, I didn't get the code right, so let's go ahead and do it again. B-E-E, and hit submit. Now it's going. There you have it. So the first thing you need to do is just go to where it says dashboard, and here is where you have the information about your app. So this is the app ID that you just created, so we're going to copy, go back here and paste it. The title, it's going to be what you want to say here at the top. So share this to get access. And basically you can say anything you want. It's just going to show up right here on the top of the window. Like the page basically is the page that you want people to like. In this case, I'm not going to use that, but I still need to implement just to be safe. Let's go ahead and get the BuilderAll page, which is this right here. And I'm going to put that in there, and share page is the page that you're going to share. So let's go ahead and get this one right here. This is the page that we're going to use. The waiting time, just go ahead and put in 8,000 seconds. Okay, it's blurry. All right, so you know, we have to upload a couple of other images right here. One is to be shared. One is actually to show up right here on top of the screen on Share Locker, and the other one is the image that's going to be shared on Facebook, because you have to have two different types of images in order for it to work. But let's go back to the app developer at Facebook right here, because there are a couple of other steps that you need to set up. So first off, let's go to settings, and here you have to enter the domain that of the page that you're sharing. So let's go back here, and it can't have any HTTP or any / this, you know, sports stats. So it's got to be this right here. All right, so let's go back in here. So I'm going to delete that. All right, and we're going to add a platform. It's going to be a website, that right there, and the website URL again. We're going to hit save, and one more step left for you to do. So the next one is you have to go to app review, and now we're going to make it public. So let's go ahead and switch to yes. And you have to pick a category. This can be just about anything. I just picked business, confirm. All right, so it should be ready to go. We're gonna go back here to our app and finish configuring everything else. So in this case, we're just gonna go ahead and upload an image for the locker. So let's go ahead and click here. I had separated one, this one right here, open. So share the love and get our tools for free, okay? And the other image we're going to select, let's see what we can use. Desktop, I had one image right here, this one. People are loving it, okay? So let's open that one. All right, so I have one image that's gonna show up on the locked screen, and the other one that's gonna be shared on Facebook. So let's go ahead and generate the code. So it's gonna generate this code, Command A, Command C. I'm going to copy this code, go to my site. Now I have to open up this site. All right, once the site comes up, I'll go to the page that I want to add the locker to, which is this right here. And right here at the bottom, under the scripts section, just go ahead and paste your code there, save, and we're going to save this, save. All right, so let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go back to our dashboard, and we're gonna click this link, and once it's open up, boom, see the banner shows up, and now people are gonna have to click share. Now notice that they can see what's behind, but it's because it's blurry, they can't really tell what it is, right? So they have to click share if they really want to access your content. Once they click to share, it's gonna share on Facebook, and then they'll have access to this page. So I hope you like this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.